Hello, this is Marie Lundi, your local real estate professional. And so roof repairs, roof replacements, most homeowners don't like to talk about that, right? Because these are costly projects that can range anywhere between $8,000 to $12,000, right? But not addressing roof issues can actually cost you much more down the road. And so today, let's take a closer look at that topic. As I mentioned, not repairing or replacing roof issues at the early signs of wear can actually be a more costly proposition later on. A common problem is that water will seep under the damaged shingle and find its way to the house structure. And then that will manifest into either a leak or sometimes mold. And so by the time you see either leak or mold inside the home, know that the problem already exists with your roof, right? So alternatively, you want to keep an eye out on the following signs that your roof may need attention. And so you want to start thinking about replacing or repairing your roof if your shingles are in bad shape. And what I mean by that is if you look at the edge of your shingles and they start curling up, that is usually a sign that they're getting older and maybe in need of attention. Also, if your shingles are cracked or if they are balding in certain areas, those are all indications that at least that part of the roof may start needing attention, perhaps a replacement or repair. Also, if moss is evident on your roof, then you may start thinking about taking a closer look at the roof. Now, keep in mind that moss itself does not automatically mean that there is a problem with your roof, because moss can naturally grow in between shingles, especially if the roof is in a shaded area with moist climate. Also, having moss on the roof can actually impede water to flow down to the gutters, right? So once again, the moss would kind of keep the water on the shingle itself. And once again, that could seep under the shingle, creating leak and possible mold. And so one quick fix is that if you do have moss on your roof, you could simply call a roofing contractor and have him clear it off of the roof, and that will help the longevity of your roof. The last thing to keep in mind is the age of the roof, right? The average roof lasts about 20 years or so. So if you have an older roof, it may be time for you to pay close attention to its texture and the material to see if it's cracking. And once again, if it's an older roof, it may make sense for you to invest into a new roof so that you could prevent having a problem with leakage, seepage, and possibly mold inside your house later down the road. And so I hope this information was helpful. If you would like to discuss this topic further, please don't hesitate to contact me. Once again, this is Marie Lundi, here to help.